Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to change your address on your UK driving license online. First, open your web browser and go to gov.uk. Wait for the website to fully load. At the top of the page, you will see a search bar. Click on the search bar and type change address of driving license. When the search results appear, click on the first result that talks about changing the address on your driving license. Now, before you click Start, take a moment to understand what you will need. You must have your driving license with you. You need to be a resident of Great Britain, as this process does not apply to Northern Ireland. You will need to provide the addresses you have lived at in the last 3 years. You must also not be banned from driving. It is helpful to have your driving license number ready. Once you are ready, click the Start button. The system will begin by asking you a few questions. These questions are used to check if any of the listed conditions apply to you. Read each question carefully. If any of them apply to you, click on Yes. If none of them apply, click on No and continue to the next step. After this, you may be asked to create a driver and vehicles account. This account allows you to manage and update your driving license details online. To create the account, enter the information requested on the screen. This usually includes your email address and other basic personal information. Follow the instructions carefully and complete all required fields. Once your driver and vehicles account is created, you will be able to update the address on your driving license. After you submit, the DVLA will process your update and send your new license by post. Thanks for watching.